let's do Conway's Game of Life, okay? We're going to do a brand new program again to test out my little Vim with Me platform, okay? And the platform is going to start with creating a server. We're going to get the server. We're going to make sure that there's no error. We're going to create a new window, 20 by 80. 24 by 80 classic window size, and we're going to make sure that any socket that joins automatically opens up a new window, and we're going to play Conway's Game of Life. And how we're going to play it is that I want the client to send me up a message. When the message happens, I'm going to go to the next one. I don't think I'm going to allow for any sort of client-side generation of Conway. It's just a bunch of work, and it doesn't really actually prove the point that I can do what I'm trying to do here. So that's why I'm not going to do that. So, hey, Estradas, I appreciate that. 27 months here. You're an amazing guy. Thanks for the great content you produce for us. Thank you. Waiting for you in Brazil. Brazil. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, I think the server is going to be the only part that's kind of tricky. So I'm going to have to create like a little Conway window, and we're going to have to kind of do this like little thing, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it pretty inefficient, right? Play around, and the round is simply going to take in state, which we'll call a double int array, right? Yeah, and then we're going to return out a double int array. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense, right? We're just going to create a new one as we go every single time. And so let's go like this. Let's go out equals make, blah, 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 blah. Yep, that looks great. And then we're going to go like this, for I state, bam, bam. And then we're going to, let's do that. That's good, right? Awesome. And I'm going to return out. There we go. So we've created our out. Now we just need to go over everything and play Conway's Game of Life, right? Everybody's down to play Conway's Game of Life. I forgot the 3 or 4 rules. I know if it's like you have 3 neighbors, you die. 2 neighbors, you stay the same. I can't remember what it is. I don't know why I'm even trying. Conway, let's see. Conway Game of Life rules, right? There's only like 4 rules. They're pretty easy. They're not hard. Fast as NeoVimmer? Isn't that Teach by default? I don't know. Teach and I have had many discussions where we're not sure who's actually the fastest, right? We're not actually sure who's the fastest Vimmer. All right, what are the rules? All right, any cell with fewer than 2 neighbors dies, as if by underpopulation. Any cell with 2 or 3 live neighbors lives on to the next generation. Any cell with more than 3 neighbors dies, as of overpopulation. Any cell dead with exactly 3 live neighbors becomes a live cell, as if by reproduction. Let's go. DMs, absolutely Pirate Software, coming in hot. Wrecked, destroyed, ruined. Okay, can I ask a question? Can I ask a question for all the Thorians out there? I walked right into that, absolutely. Can I ask a question for all the Thorians out there? How long were you guys trying to come up with this? Like, really? Like, we're talking like, how much time were you guys together on this one? Thor knew exactly who to get. He was right. All right, so we're going to be doing Conway's Game of Life. Any live cell with fewer than 2 neighbors dies as if by underpopulation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little thing called func, and we're going to go get neighbor count. And I'm just going to pass this in, state this right here. So I just don't have to have this in here. I hate doing this check. This check kind of sucks. You know what I'm talking about? It's like the worst possible check of all time. So typically I go like this, var dir equals this right here, right? And so what I'll do, man, Copilot is fluffing it up today, people. Fluffing it up. We're going to go like this, -1. Yeah, thank you. And then, oh, gosh. Copilot's supposed to make my life easier, and right now it's not making my life easier. Okay, so let's see. We start right here. We go to here. Or, sorry, that's down low. And we go to here. And then we got to go here, and then we got to go here, and then we got to go here, and then we got to go here. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Did I just do directions correctly? Let's see. We go pap, bap, blam, 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 blam. Nailed it. First try. I think I got them all. Yeah. Seems like 7 to you? Yeah, there are 7. Oh shit, there's 8. Oh my goodness, I'm an idiot. Okay, so there's top and bottom. There's left. I'm missing right. I'm missing right. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got top, bottom. We're missing left and right. Okay, there we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. I'm a programmer. All right, anyways. All right, go like this. 4, D range dirt. Hey, thank you. And then let's go like this. Let's go like this. It should go like this. Row equals D0. I hate the idea of call equals y x 1. Yes. If row is, there we go. Yes. If row is equal to continue. Thank you, Copilot. Let's go. There we go. So now we should be able to count, right? So I should be able to go up here and go count equals 0. Oh my goodness, I am terrible at Vim. All right, awesome. Go up here, jump right here. Now I should go like this. If state equals 1, awesome. Count plus plus. Let's go. There we go. Now we've written that thing. So now we should be able to do this very, very simple thing. Goal, game of life. Can we resort them? Can we resort them all? So all the ones start with ones. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I actually have no idea what you mean by this sentence. I choked so hard in a Vim demo yesterday. Yeah, I could kind of tell. I could kind of tell that would happen based on your chat. You know, I can kind of tell who you were as a chatter, that you probably didn't have it in there. 4. I want that. We really don't need that. And so now I can go like this. Count equals, what is it called? In fact, I really don't even need this, right? There we go. So we got this, we got that. Nice track. Oh, actually, I do want that. All right, so there we go. We got these two things, and now let's just do the 4 ones, right? So if any cell has fewer than 2 live neighbors, fewer than 2, okay? So if count is less than 2, all right? Awesome. That means out yx equals 0, dies by that. If any cell has 2 or 3 live neighbors, lives on to the next generation, okay? We won't do anything, right? If any cell with more than 3 neighbors, it dies by overpopulation. If count equals is greater than or equal to 4, then out equals 0, right? Any dead cell with exactly 3 living neighbors will become 1. So the nice part is this one, you can just go like this, out equals 1. You don't have to check to see if it's dead. You know what I mean? You don't have to check to see if it's dead because it's already there. You know what I mean? It's already there, baby. It's already there, baby. Thank you, Wild Functions, by the way. Luigi is I agree with you. I mean, I actually agree with you. Okay. 0, thank you. Appreciate that. What is the big O of this? As long as this isn't a dick joke, I'll tell you the big O of this all. Okay. By the way, I do feel obligated. Shout out Pirate Software after getting owned so hard. He gets a shout out. Okay. The big O of this is pretty straightforward. Well, first off, we have to go over every single item. So you can say this is m by n, or you can just say this is n as in total squared number of items in here. We have to walk through everything, right? So it's based on those two things. All right. And then afterwards, we have to go and visit these exact set of neighbors. Now, the thing about this operation right here is considered big O of constant. It never changes how many things it has to do. Does that make sense? It never has to change how many operations it does, ever. It's the same operation no matter which cell it goes on, so it's constant. So the runtime is going to be a simple, if it was a square, it'd be n squared, else it'd be something like n times m. Okay? No, this is correct. The reason why it's correct is look at this rule right here. Any dead cell with exactly 3 neighbors becomes a live cell. Any cell with 2 or 3 neighbors remains a live cell to the next generation. In other words, if there's a 3, it remains living. If there's less than 2, it dies. If there's more than 3, it dies. Right? So less than 2 dies. More than 4 or more, it dies. You're dead. If you equal 3, you continue on. If it's 2, I just keep it the way it is, right? I don't have to touch anything, right? But if you are 3, you are automatically alive. Okay, so pretty simple. We just did Conway's Game of Life. Fantastic, right? So now, you need to hit Thor with an eye, ladies. I feel like we're going to have to be a little bit more... I feel like I could definitely get him with that one, but I feel like that one's more in a live talking situation. But he may have already heard of the eye ladies. You know what I mean? That one's more of a... Because, like, I can't just whisper him back, hey, Thor, have you heard of eye ladies? Like, just coming in hard with that grift. Dude, I'm going to get owned. I'm going to get owned if I do that. Bro is online a lot. There's no way he hasn't heard of it. Yeah, no, you're going to just get owned. I don't want to get owned. Okay, I want to be... I'm going to have to come up with something real good. You know what I mean? All right, hold on. I'm going to have to play something, okay? I'm going to have to play something. Just hold on. All right. Hold on. I feel like I want something different. I really like the first song here. We're going to play that first song, and then I'm going to figure out what to play next. I really like the first song in this playlist so much. It's my current new favorite. Are there concepts from calculus that remain relevant? Not really, no, but it is good problem solving. Okay, anyways, so there we go. So we got this one, we got the server, and so now we might as well just do another ticker, right? We'll go like this, time dot new ticker, 100 milliseconds. Let's go with 500 milliseconds. You know what's something that'd be really nice is if I could know how many listeners there was, right? So like I don't play the game of life until there's a listener. Right? Like wouldn't that be really the way to go? I think so. This guy's playing Miss Monique. Oh, yeah, I love this one. This one's like my favorite, right? We'll go with 100. So that would be a change to my server, right? So we got to go with chat is dumb. So let's make a quick change to the server, right? TCP. I really want to refactor this file. I absolutely hate this file, but whatever. Type TCP space. There we go. Right. Oh, yeah, you just got to hit him with the lane. I forgot about that. Wait, what the hell is the thing called? Oh, 2 sockets. It's 2 sockets, baby. It's the 2 sockets. Yeah, there we go. Which means yeah, we don't need to do that there. Do I have tracking set up? I don't. Get branch, what is it? There we go. Like it. This is a good song. The code just flows. You gotta let the code flow, you know what I mean? Get tag V003. Let's go. There we go. We did number 3. We're up here. We're up. Oof. I'm not a big fan of male singers, but I'm enjoying this. What do you mean, what is this for? This is for Conway's Game of Life, baby! What do you mean? State equals, oh, yeah, we do want to go like this. Yeah, we do want to do this and go I equals make 80. There we go. All right, so we got this. We got our state. Now we just need to send everything. I do want our initial thing, right? And so if I'm not mistaken, a good initial thing should look like this. Where do we want to set this thing from? Let's see. Or are you listening to a stream? I'm just listening to a stream. Have you ever heard of the Odin Project? Yeah, I've had Ginger Bill on the stream. Ginger Bill's a good guy. Ginger Bill's awesome. Calling bro Neo, he's living in the code right now. All right, so we got the initial thing. So all we got to do now is just set up the initial configuration of this. So I'm going to go like this. State, let's go like into it, right? We want to kind of be in the middle of it all. What I really want to draw is the following. I really want to draw this, right? Right? Isn't this like kind of like the classic? Is that the classic, or is it 1 over? Actually, I think it's 1 over, isn't it? Right? I think that's the classic, right? This is the classic, right? Yeah, right? Turn your head and cough to check your testes. Absolutely, baby girl. Let's see if Copilot can do it. I'm not even thinking. Get it, Copilot, you little son of a hot dog. Come on, I know there's one more. I know we're so close. Come on, just one more. Come on, you got a Copilot. Let's go. That was so good. I enjoyed that. Thank you, Copilot, for that initial configuration. See, these are the things that Copilot's really good at, right? Like, this is the shit that humans are categorically bad at and what Copilot is really, really good at. Okay, I'm not good at this, okay? Too much state I have to hold my brain. This is just something that Copilot is just like excelled at doing. Take that and make it go, is there something wrong? Let's find out. Okay, 40, 41. We go down a row, 40, 41. Okay, we go down another row, 39. So one out right here, right? All right. 40. Oh, it is wrong. It is one off. Damn it. Even Copilot, you failed me, making me look like a dweeb. Making me look like a dweeb, Copilot. There we go. All right, we got that one. There we go. Copilot off by 1. Even Copilot off by 1. Skill issues. Death to the AI. AI ain't nothing. AI sucks. I hate him. Copilot apologists. Yo, fuck Devin. Yo, Devin, your name sucks, okay? The only thing you Devin on is these nuts, Devin. Hey, you know what, Devin? Dev out, okay? Just like garbage in, garbage out. Hate them. Hate them all. Okay. Anyways. All right. Satya loves you back. Devin scares me. Look at the sheer spread and strength of this Neovimmer. Thank you. It's terrifying, isn't it? All right, so we got the initial configuration. We have this. So now all we got to do is go like this. 4. Let's see. Then we just hit our ticker with the tick. We don't care about the answer. In fact, we just go like this, and we go like this. If server.to sockets not has messages, you dummy. Wait, really? I just updated this. I literally just updated this. Why haven't you done this? Right, I just pushed it. I just pushed it. It should be right here. Look at that. Should be right there. Should be right there. Where are you? Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Go mod tidy, right? Go mod tidy, right? Where's the length? Where the hell is the length? Where the hell is the length? Right? Yeah, see, this is package 2. We don't want no package 2. Bro, we don't want no package 2. All right, let's just try it again. Sometimes things can get a little bit, they can get a little bit goofy. You know what I mean? Sometimes, like things can get, they need new cache. You know what I mean? Where are we? 8 down, server sockets. And we're still, okay, we're in number 3. Here we go. Up here. There it is. We're looking good. First time. Equals 0. Continue. There we go. Do you like that? Look at that. We can do this. We can play 1 round of the state. And then now this is kind of where things get interesting, where I need to be able to take this board and convert it into a string and hand it off to my window and then have my window ensure that I have the proper changes. So if I've done this correctly, I can go like this, func to string, and I can hand in state with a string, and I can go like this, out equals a little stringy string, do a little one of those guys. Oh my goodness, do one of those little guys right here. Let's not do that. Let's just actually have it as a space. I think that's a little bit nicer. Do we need new lines? Let's not do new lines. There's no new lines here. Okay, return out. Fantastic. I bet you there's a string builder that's better. It's Go. You actually do get an EXE. You do actually get a statically compiled EXE. You actually do. You actually get an EXE. Okay, so calm down, buddy. All right. Why is there code? All right, so we got to play around. We're going to create it as a string, and then we're going to go like this. We're going to go like this, win dot set window, and we're going to simply go toString state, and then we're going to go like this, commands equals win dot flush, and this should produce ourselves a bunch of changes. Okay, so this is something I do want to fix. I can already feel myself being annoyed by this. If you look at our SNEC project, right? This is just building that snack, that snickety snack. We did the same thing where I had to like create the commands, flush them, and then create them into commands, right? And that's kind of annoying. I don't want to have to keep doing that. So I kind of feel like I should just be, instead of having flush, which just flushes out the changer, it's almost like I should have something called like partial render. Would that be better? That actually does that and then just turns them into commands. Flush if you want to just raw dog those commands. Partial render if you want those commands, or if flush you raw dog them. Partial render is if you want that, plus you spread, you do the goodness. You get these things right here, because it's like kind of annoying that I have to do this every time. Can we all agree? I'm not really happy about that, but I don't know if I really want to build that abstraction yet. Isn't that weird? I don't know if I want to build that abstraction. I don't know if I want to build that abstraction. You know what I mean? Hey, Caleb Steen. Appreciate that 6 months in advance, tier 2, fully erect, take those Fireship pills, butt chug them. When does the erection start? You know, I made that comment on one of Fireship's videos, and I don't think people liked it. I was a little bit disappointed. You know what I mean? Where is it? I think it was Devin coming. Right? This is the one with, yeah, this one right here. Yeah, see, I don't even show up. I don't even show up. Like, I'm not even sure how you find yourself on these comments, but I tried to make the world's most absurd comment of my lifetime on a Fireship video. It hurts a little bit not even to show up. You know what I mean? I thought I made an astute observation. Okay. Page search. Well, it does lazy loading, right? So you can't really page search with lazy loading, right? You have to do this, and you have to wait for them, and you have to wait till like you see your icon, right? Like, isn't this absurd? I bet you I got put in the unsafe. How much do you want to bet I got put in the unsafe? I got put in the unsafe, didn't I? I did. Look in your comment history. Is there comment history? How do you comment history? It's going to be in my notifications. You do understand that I get like 1 million notifications. It is actually impossible for me to. It's actually impossible for me to do that. Okay. Yellow, beautiful wife. A factor meal? I'd love a factor. Are we doing an ad? Oh. We're going to be heading to the park soon. Okay, we're not doing an ad, are we? This sucks. I could have got paid for this. All right. Love you. Can you give me a meat one? Yeah. I don't want one of them chicken ones. I know, but I don't want no chicken. Ugh. Okay, I want beef. All right, bye. Dude, biggest mistake in my lifetime. Literally love Factor Meals, not sponsored by Factor Meals. I eat Factor Meals every single day, like 5 days a week. I love Factor Meals, and I'm out here not even getting sponsored by them. Like, dude, I'm a loser. I'm actually a loser. Give me the meat and give it to me raw. Based, I just ordered them. They're really, really good. They're really, really good. Hey, could you also bring me a protein drink and then a Greek yogurt with protein powder in it? A protein drink and a yogurt with protein powder? Yeah, because I just won't do it otherwise. Are you a bro? I am a bro, brah. Bye, hot wife, bye. Are you training? No, it's just like categorically you don't get like categorically every single American is drastically under protein. You know what I mean? Like as a 37-year-old semi-active male, I should be getting about 170 grams of protein. Dude, when you mark out your own protein, you ain't even close. Like you're not even close to that number. And you'll go, holy crap, I kind of suck. And I also like to lift weights, yeah. 1 gram per pound, yeah, I'm 170 pounds. It's real hard to get 170. I know people. It's very hard to get a good amount of protein in your body. So, half gallon of egg whites. I don't believe in separating nature. And what I mean by that is like I won't eat egg whites to get a lot of protein. Right? When I say I'm semi-active, I mean I'm active for my age. Yeah, I know. I eat 1 meal a day, dog. I eat 1 to 2 meals a day. Yesterday, I ate 1 meal a day. It cost me $16 to eat my meal. What do you want from me? Right? What do you want? Right? Yeah. I eat 3 meals with 2 snacks. What are you, a kindergartner? What are you, kindergartner? Yeah, I know. Exactly. It's $16. I'm paying for convenience, but I also don't eat a whole bunch. I don't separate out nature. So like what I mean by that is that I don't eat egg whites. I eat an egg. I think there's, typically I try to avoid that. I think that usually we're kind of designed to just eat things together, like as they were, typically. And so when you find yourself eating a ton of egg whites, I don't think it's that good for you. I don't. I take the shell and throw it in the garden. Right? I take the shell, throw it in the garden. Right? Yeah. 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 Are are your plants bulking? It gives them good calcium. Right? Good composting. Yeah. So nutrition as an emergent property and can't be reduced to base components. I think that you should, macros are really good, but so are micros, right? Like that's why I drink the green mixes and I make sure, I try to make sure that like I get blood work every now and then. And I try to make sure that my blood work is good. Like that I'm in acceptable range, right? I'm not like Mr. like I'm going to get out there and live forever because I don't want to live a life where I don't want to live a life so obsessed about exactly everything I do all the time at all points in time for every last little thing that I do that I like have no joy in life because everything is like this, right? Like, I just don't think you're getting any joy out. Like, life is more than just simply living, right? If life is only simply living for you, I don't think you're living a very fulfilling life. Right? Like, I think enjoying things. So, yeah. A body as a temple, bro, is no fun. I mean, I think body as a temple is just fine, right? Like, I mean, you gotta, dude. How many temples contain some incense? So maybe I gotta smoke cigars every now and get that incense into the body. You know what I'm talking about? Get it treated like a little temple in here, okay? Little herbal incense. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. So, anyways, I think we actually got ourselves something good going here. Log. I'm gonna fatale this. Owned by Skill Issues again. Part. Did I get close to do? Is do EU or UE? I never know. Like in my head, it should be this, but I think it's supposed to be this. I can never tell. Okay, good. Okay. See, like the American eyeball would say this. The English eye would say that. This looks funny. That's why I went with it. It's because it's like, yeah. Yeah. America Mansion. Hell yeah, brother. Okay, here we go. So anyways, so if I've done this all correctly, honestly, like that's all it takes to look. I'm actually I'm pretty stoked about this platform. Right? This really easy platform that we've been doing. Lua, Gall, and then init.lua. Like the fact that I can just throw this in here, shout it out, Lua, start, go, run, server, port 42069. Do I get it first try? Hey, Grognard, appreciate that. Grognard the Orc. That is such an orc name. You have such an orc-ass name. The name's Grognard the Orc. Appreciate it. Let's do this. Let's just do a little one of these, okay? Start a prediction. First try. Start. Trogdor? Not even Trogdor. This is... Hey, Bram, I'm a .NET dev with 3 years of experience. I want to switch to Go and find Go jobs. Any tips? Yeah, switch to Go and start working really, really hard. Keep your job and start applying. String building? Yeah, we'll get there. Right now, I saw that. It doesn't really... I know, like, a lot of programming people don't understand is that you just got to know that the problem exists. Like, right when I built this, the first thing I said is I probably should just use a string builder, right? Like, I know the problem. And so if I was building this in a for real way, I would know how to build this in a for real way. Since I don't really care, I just want to build it, fine enough. Can we all agree with that? Does that make sense? That's like for me, that's like a really good way to gauge your abilities, is know when to take shortcuts. You know what I mean? Yeah. Does the compiler optimize that kind of stuff? My guess is no, or they're using rope strings. Don't do it. C# is number one. C# is number one. Yeah, string builder versus concat. Yeah. It's also 400 items. It's not 400 items. It's into 1,920 if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Echo 80 times 24. That's 1920. Bud. Okay. All right. Here we go. Giga Chads in chat. If I get this right, I swear, there better be celebrations. Okay? There better be celebrations. That just Conway'd. Did I just... That Conway'd. We just Conway'd hard. I think I got my Conway algorithm wrong. Hold on. Did that work or did that not work? Okay, hold on. Oh, wait, look at this. I accidentally started, look at this. I started Vim. Dude, I just started my application from completely the wrong area and it worked. That was funny. Okay, hold on. So let's go like this. Let's go Lua close. I got to close this connection, right? Right? Or did I do it in this one? I did in that one. Hey, on account, thank you very much. Okay, let's go. Do a perpetual pattern. I thought I did a perpetual pattern. That's the problem, is I don't know if I'm doing a perpetual pattern. I thought this was a perpetual pattern. Did I have it wrong? Here, Conway Game of Life pattern. The thing is, the reason why I think I didn't do it right is that because it didn't have like a couple things left. Right? My guess is that I messed something up. My guess is that I messed it up. I think I know exactly why I messed it up. I know why I messed it up. Damn it, it's not it. Because look. Dang it. See, what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to go like this. Out, and I copy over the state. And I didn't copy over the state. And then do this. I messed up the rule by that. Damn, did I really just do that? Yo, did I really just do that to myself? Client already started? What? Oh, crap. App equals nil. I forgot to do that in my code. All right, let's see. I'm pretty sure I goofed that up. And this is hyper inefficient rendering, by the way. I'm still not rendering well. We got it so good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, be careful. Those X's look like they're unionizing. The reason why it didn't is that we didn't wrap, right? We didn't wrap, and so because it didn't wrap, it didn't. It would have kept going forever. That was a stable pattern that should have just kept going, right? But it didn't. Second try, unfortunately. Damn. I thought I had that first try. I honestly thought I was just that good first try, but it turns out I'm not that good first try. What is a stable pattern? The one that happens forever. First try on the second try. Every try. That was pretty cool. Doubters win. Doubters win. Doubters win. Thank you. I won 73K. You're welcome, doubter. Hey, I still thought that was pretty cool, okay? I'm pretty happy about what I just built there. Okay? I'm pretty happy that the fact that we just had that all done, okay? Like, that did not take a lot of effort. I'm actually a little bit shocked how simple... I mean, that was actually a really... I mean, it was a shockingly easy example. I'm happy where things are going. You know what I mean? I'm very happy. Okay, there you go. I really like that last song. It just makes me really excited. I feel stupid right now. Why? I'm very happy that we have a system that's all set up to the point where I can do that. Well, yeah, stable patterns can change. They can do something back and forth. Getting it on second try might be objectively cooler than first try. It's still pretty cool, but it's not as cool as first try. Can we all agree to that one? I mean, there is nothing cooler than first try. Is this like practice for HP course? No, this is just something I've been wanting to do it. This is just something I've been wanting to make, is that by making these little things right here, I'm exercising a platform that I wanted to make, which is I wanted to be able to make a Vim rendering server experience. And the reason why I did actually all of this is, remember how we've been talking about doing that Vim tower defense? What I realized is that when I did Vim tower defense, I could not get you guys to participate in a meaningful way because the lag between chat and what's on the screen was too real. And so, for me to be able to get you that stuff quicker, I need to build a platform that anybody in Vim could literally download and just say, give me the Primogen's view. And it'll just give you anything that I am running so you can see it, and then you can vote for it in chat how you wish to place the tower. So I'm giving you the best possible chance to beat ChatGPT, because here's the deal, is I don't think you can beat ChatGPT. So that's how we built this. So we'll play through Vim. You won't play through Vim. You'll play through the chat, but you can see through Vim. Won't there still be lag between the vote and the view? Of course there will. Can there ever not be lag between the vote and the view? Of course, there'll always be. But now we're talking about the difference of a half second, a quarter second, versus 5 to 10 seconds, right? Vote and Vim is still, there's still lag. There's still lag, right? Right? This is still play to lose. Yeah, there will be pay to lose. Yeah. We can just positive reinforcement on ChatGPT and act the opposite. Devin in Scramble. Yeah, chat never able to send moves when they can't get out of Vim. I know. So you're just playing, you're just getting around stream delay, right? I'm just getting around stream delay. We built all of this just to get around stream delay. It will also allow me to be able to have server-driven stuff. So, like, I wanted to make Vim APM. and I wanted to be able to have like a platform that lived where you could easily go up and you could easily create, like you could easily upload all your motions. And I didn't want to have like some hand-rolled bespoke motion creator and TCP pack. Instead, I wanted to create like a generalized thing that I can use for all my Vim projects that involve Vim and chat, right? Stream Delay called it. Yeah. Testes-driven development is working well. Absolutely. These testes are besties. Seems pretty fast. I'm happy about it. Sounds like the basis for a Vim pair programming plugin. It could be a Vim pair programming plugin, but probably not. I don't want it to be. You know what I mean? Stream delay looks like a prostate problem. You're full of it right now, Pick, aren't you? Pick, what's going on over there? Balls to the wall hard coding. You got to do that. Did you say UDP? You can shut up. Hello, me and chat in 1 second. Yeah. The real goal, the real game of life is to mine bitcoins in our machines while we're distracted by the game. Yes, that is the real goal of game of life. The real goal of UDP win. Shut up, Pick! Will we be able to vote let's see, will we be able to vote in VS Code? You won't be able to vote in Vim. You'll only be able to vote in chat. And then your Vim experience will show you what is being voted on. Does that make sense? The game of life is learning that regardless of your strategy, you still die of dysentery. The game of life is actually the friends we made along the way. I am gatekeeping in this one. Where I'm going to run the servers, I think I'm going to do Fly.io. I think I'm going to try Fly.io. Fly.io. I've never really tried it. I think it'd be fun to do. So there we go. Oh, that's me. Yeah, Fly.io. Mentioned. Let's go. Yeah, I want to try it out. In your mom's house. Ooh, damn, Pick. Are you going to put Vim on his mom's computer too? Just run an IRC client in Vim. Yeah, just run a quick IRC client. That should be easy to write, right? Oh, well, thank you. Oh, thank you, baby. Love you. I appreciate that. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Bye.
5 cups.
Pretty fun.
No, just this is the consequence that you have to pay for not being in a vendor yourself.
I don't clear my dishes, and she's getting angry at me.
I don't need that one.
I'm about to be harpooned. There's 3 coffee cups on there. So I didn't take back my teacups. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Vlarabor and Clay Loss.